Hello student, now this we will solve 13 problem from exercise. The book is Maharashtra State Board book and the chapter is units and measurement. So let us start problem number 13. When the planet Jupiter is at a distance of 824.7 million kilometer from the earth, its angular diameter is measured to be 35.72. This is the symbol of second of arc. Then calculate the diameter of Jupiter. So we have to imagine a diagram here. Suppose here there is Jupiter and we are observing Jupiter from earth. So what is given to you? It is given that the distance between Jupiter and earth, this distance, I will denote it by capital D. It is 824.7 million kilometer. So convert million. So I will write down here 824.7 into 10 raised to power 6. Now it is in kilometer. Then the angular diameter is measured to be. So if we observe this Jupiter from earth in this way, this is the angular diameter denoted by alpha and this is capital D. So alpha is 35.72 second of arc second. So remember one relation here, 1 arc second, it is 4.847 into 10 raised to power minus 6 radian. Radian is standard unit, arc second is not standard unit. So we have to convert it. So 35.72 second into 4.847 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Now it becomes radian. And what is asked? Calculate the diameter of Jupiter. This is the diameter. Say small d. So small d is equal to question mark. So we can relate these three quantity alpha, capital D and small d by using parallax method. And in parallax method what we can state? The length of arc is equal to radius multiplied by subtended angle. Length of arc it becomes small d. Radius it becomes this distance capital D into subtended angle, that is the angle made by this arc, that is angular displacement alpha. So simply substitute the values 824.7 into 10 raised to power 6 and alpha in radian 35.72 into 4.847 into 10 raised to power minus 6. So this plus 6 minus 6 it cancel and multiplication of 824.7 into 35.72 into 4.847, it is nearly equal to 1.428 into 10 raised to power 5 kilometer. The unit will be kilometer. So this is 14 problem from unsolved exercise chapter unit and measurement. The problem is like this: if the formula for physical quantity is x, a raised to power 4 into b raised to power 3 divided by c raised to power 1 by 3 d raised to power 1 by 2, and if percentage error in the measurement of ABCD respectively it is given to you 2%, 3%, 3% and 4%. Calculate the percentage error in x. So firstly write down this equation: x is equal to a raised to power 4 into b raised to power 3, c raised to power 1 by 3 and d raised to power 1 by 2. What we require? Percentage error in x. So percentage error is nothing but del x by x percent. So these powers becomes multiplier here. So 4 times del A by A percentage error plus 3 del B by B percentage error. Though it is in denominator, it becomes plus for this percentage error. So again 1 by 3 del C by C percentage error plus 1 by 2 del D by D percentage error. So all these brackets value are given to you. Percentage error of A, that is 2%. Percentage error of B, it is 3%. Then percentage error of C, again it is 3%. And percentage error of D, it is 4%. So simply solve it. It becomes 8% plus 9% plus 3 cancel, 1% plus 2%. So 8 plus 9, it becomes 17, 18 plus 2, 20. So final answer is 20%. So percentage error in the measurement of X, it is 20%. This is your final answer. Now see problem number 15. Write down the number of significant figures in following. 0.003 meter square. The units are not important here. We have to write down only significant figures. So all these observations are given to you and we are going to find out significant figure. Very simple problem this is. There are certain rules to identify the number of significant figures. According to this rule, remember here the zeros which are after decimal point, they are not significant figures. So only significant figure is 3 here. So significant figure in this observation it is 1. Then 0.1250, all these are significant figure. So 4 significant figures are given in the measurement. Then this is third observation, 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6. So 10 raised to power 6. So whatever may be the power of 10, we cannot consider these are the zeros. We cannot consider these zeros as a significant figures. So the significant figures are only 2, 6 and 4. Then in this observation there is also 2 significant figure, 1 and 6. And in this observation again there is 2. So the number of significant figures in first 1, second 4, third 2, fourth 2 and fifth again 2. Now this is last problem from your exercise, problem number 16. The diameter of sphere is 2.14 centimeter. Calculate the volume of sphere to correct number of significant figures. So what is the volume of sphere? The formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube and diameter is given to you. Diameter of sphere, it is 2.14. So if D is 2.14 centimeter, then R will be D by 2, that is 1.07 centimeter. 1.07 centimeter. So substitute this value here. 4 by 3, pi means 3.14, r cube means 1.07 cube. We can solve it. It is 12.56 divided by 3 into 1.07 cube. Then 4.18 into 1.07 cube. On solving this, the result is near about 5.132. It is volume. volume of the sphere. So unit will be centimeter cube, as we have taken radius in centimeter. The volume will be centimeter cube. But the required result to correct number of significant figure. This is the main theme in this problem, correct number of significant figures. So in diameter significant figures are 3. In radius also significant figures are 3. So in this solution, that is the volume, now here we get significant figure 4. So we have to replace this last digit, and since it is less than 5, we can write 5.13. Now these are the correct 3 significant figures in the result. We can ignore 2 as it is less than 5, and therefore the final result is 5.13 centimeter cube.